Hi guys, if your Whirlpool WTW4816FW washer is making strange agitator noises, clicking sounds, grindings or loud knocking during the wash cycle, some sounds are completely normal while others can point to a problem. So in this video, I'm going to explain the most common agitator sounds and what they actually mean. So first of all, a light clicking or the ticking sound during the wash is usually normal on the WTW4816FW model. So this washer uses the auto sensing and the shifting system that is going to change between the agitation and the spinning modes automatically. So you may hear the small clicks as the transmission changes movement directions. So as I told you earlier, this particular sound is normal. Afterwards, we have the sound 2, which is going to be like loud knocking or banging sound. So if you hear the heavy banging sound, the washer load may be unbalanced. The large items like blankets, towels and jeans can gather on one side of the drum during the agitation and the spinning. So in this case, you just have to simply pause the cycle and redistribute the clothes evenly inside the tub. Now if you are hearing a grinding sound, this is not usually normal. This can happen because of the worn agitator parts, because of damaged spliner, transmission issues. So if the noise becomes louder over time, the internal mechanical parts may need the inspection. Now there can also be a fourth type of sound, which is the buzz sound or the buzzing sound. So low humming noise during the startup is often the washer trying to sense the load size or engage the motor. So this particular model commonly makes humming sounds during the auto sensing phase before filling fully with the water. Now there might be the agitator moving slowly or weakly. So if the agitator barely moves or struggles during the washing, you can check whether the washer is overloaded. The overloading puts extra strain on the motor and agitator system. So a worn agitator coupling or the drive component can also reduce the agitation strengths. So you can just simply take a look at this, and I hope this helps you. Thank you.